Hi guys. So I really like the way these curls came out. Alright, so I'm going to show you guys how I do it. So I brush my hair. I split my hair down the middle. I brush my hair, and this is what I do every night before bed. If I'm not doing the braid out, I'm doing this curl routine. I usually do the curl routine with this scarf in the spring. I'm sorry, in the winter and fall, and then in the spring and summer I usually do the braid out, because the braid out, my hair is wet at night, so I try to do that in like the summer and spring months when the weather's warmer, and then when the weather's cooler I do this because I don't have to wet my hair at night. So that's usually how I do my hair all year, to set it every night, so it's easy in the morning to just take it out. So then first I want to tell you guys, I got these scarves at Walmart. They're like $1 something, and you have to get two and tie them together in a knot. So that, because one isn't long enough, and my hair is pretty long, so this is plenty long for any hair length, I think. So then I put the top right there, and then you have to balance it. I know some people put a clip, but I don't do that because I don't have one handy, so let me show you again. So I put this here in the middle, and then I grab a section of hair, and then I put it behind, and then I grab another section, and then I connect, and then I put it behind, and then I grab another section, and I connect it, put it behind, and I just keep doing that all the way down. And I don't, like I said, I don't wet my hair before, and it stays, it's a pretty good curl. So if you wet your hair when you do this, you have to like leave it in your hair for like 2 days for it to dry, because it'll take forever to dry. And do this. And I just, when I get to the end, I just wrap, twist and wrap, twist and wrap. So it's like a spiral, and then I get my scrunchie, and can't see too good, you guys, because I don't have the mirror in front of me. So I want to show you guys. You see the end? That's how the end is. I have the end sticking out like that, because you don't want to smash the end, so you don't mess up your you don't get split ends if you leave the ends out like that. So that's what I do. I do that on both sides. The curls last all day long, so I really love them. The only con about this is the length goes up a lot. So if you really like long hair, it kind of, there's a bit of shrinkage in your hair when you do this. But I'd rather that than my hair looking all messed up. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys this side. The ends are sticking out. You don't want to smash, do not touch the ends. Just don't mess with them, you will get split ends. So okay, so after that, this is like how long it is. So then what I do is I go like this. I twirl it, I get my fingers and I go like this. I twirl them so it's not too tight, just so it's like, it's just wound up a little bit. And then I go like this. And then I just do like this. Like that. And then I do another knot. And then I do, because it's so long, you guys, I do like this. I know I could cut them, but I just feel like I don't want to cut them. I don't know, because if I want my hair to grow longer, so I don't want to cut the handkerchiefs. Because if my hair grows longer, I want it to be long enough for my long hair. So that's how it looks when I go to sleep at night. Hi guys, good morning. So this is the next morning. I'm wearing my pajamas. I did my makeup, and this is how it looks when I wake up. I'm gonna take it out and I'm gonna show you guys the results. So, so I just unravel it gently so that no hair pulls or anything. And then I usually just go like this. And that's it. And then to wrap it, I just go like, I don't know if I can show you guys. I go like this, I just like fold it like that. And then I take these and I make like, that's how I store it. And I just do that. It's like a little bow to put it away. So, come out really curly. And if you want to keep the curls, you could keep them, or you could loosen them up like that. I usually don't brush them out because throughout the day they'll get looser and looser throughout the day. So I'll show you guys a picture of the back. Hold on. So anyways, thanks you guys for watching. I appreciate it. Please like, comment, subscribe. I really appreciate you guys. Say hello in the comments. I love you guys. Have a gorgeous day. Bye.